weapon. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping.
I don't know if it's recording. Can I see through this thing? The reflection. Oh, I can. Let's go. It's on. Alright, guys. We just did some. We just made some little videos on our phones. Add me on Snapchat if you want to see them. It's ChaseJM5. Guys, look how loose this stuff is. That's bad. Oh well. Untighten it.
I filled her up right to the brim when I loaded her.
Yeah?
Yeah, so I have more gas.
Alright, you lead the way. Actually, no. I will. That's a destroyed burn. I think I told you, but I got a new helmet, guys. You can probably tell. You gotta turn around. Oh my god. Oh wait. don't know. You can try and go through here. It's not that deep. It's not that deep. I don't know. It's not that deep, but if you get stuck, we just push you out. No, he'll probably get stuck, guys. That thing's so old. Maybe he won't. Okay, stop. Hey, hey, stop. Patience. It isn't deep. I don't even know where the heck I can put this. I'm ditching it. Ugh. Huh? Yep. Didn't plan on getting wet, but sure. Alright, you have to get off. You can't sit and drive. E-card. What the? You idiot.
You get there on camera.
Hey, you gotta shift.
Hey, don't drive it.
We're fine. Can't imagine this thing. Huh? Yeah, I know. Setting the forward pretty well. This is what we'll do. We're gonna. Let's just pull it this way because you can just. Hey, you wanna help here? Heck with the helmet, it's not gonna sink.
You got freaking boots, Shake.
They're waterproof.
Where you getting them?
I'm not getting that crap.
I got three of my school shoes.
You have your school shoes on? What's wrong with you?
I was gonna change them.
You gotta help pick this up and we gotta put it on this side so it's not, no? So this wheel's on that wheel and that wheel's in there. You gotta pick up and yank on it this way. Whatever. You're gonna have to pay attention.
Got it?
No. Here, turn it on and put it in reverse. Keep going, don't stop.
I'm going the other side.
Okay. Hey, turn your wheels this way.
Like this?
No, other way. Okay, go. Keep going. Huh? There's my yeast. Hey, how do I go forward?
You see that lever? It's reverse. Big, right near the gauge.
Guys, his brakes do not work. I got motocross boots on. This GoPro's probably so crooked right now. Yeah, I need to check it. You guys got smacked by so many trees doing that? Ah. your leg.
I can't reach that.
Oh my god. Logan.
I can hold on to it.
No, you're doing it. Take off your shoe.
No, I'm gonna lay down and grab it.
Okay, I'll hold on to your feet. You gotta like crawl in there and put your hands in there too. Like you gotta crawl in there. I got your feet. Like crawl in there with your hands. You know, if we were smarter, we'd find a stick.
Yeah, I was thinking about that one right there. We can go over there. That's the freaking get. I'm gonna grab my pole around here.
This
Oh,
thing.
good thing I'm getting helmet tomorrow. This thing's fucking.
Oh.
Just try to like go in there.
No.
Fucking dragging her away, Jay.
I can't do anything.
She's fucking floating.
Guys, this is so dumb. Look, that thing is. Oh my. Your head's gonna be flat.
I'm not wearing it.
You aren't?
Okay, no, I don't know.
Where are you doing it? Throwing it in the woods?
No, I'm keeping it.
Oh, that's so funny. My goggles are fogging up.
Oh my.
Yeah, I know, it's soaked.
What do I even do with this?
That's.
Did you get that recording when I threw it in there? You still recording?
Oh my god, yeah.
That's a good video.
I'll have to think of something.
Dumbass kid throws helmet in water, gets stuck.
Gets stuck and loses helmet in water.
Yeah. I can't. What
Wait,
did
is that a four-wheeler?
Go get my phone.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah, you might want to start walking back.
Well, it's through there, right?
Yeah.
I fucking drenched my fucking foot. I'm walking around. You guys are just like. No, it'll probably be easier to go through that way.
Yeah. Now I gotta get this thing out of this mess.
Oh, it's not going.
I did all the work getting your thing unstuck. And then I got your helmet. Look at what? My boots are soaked. We're both whining. Okay, I don't think it matters anymore. They're soaked. I drove it all the way out. No, we didn't even take our phones out or anything. Oh, it's freaking hot out. This thing's still going. It's already dripping water. You make me freaking laugh, you know that?
I made a good video.
That made a really good video. You made me laugh, that made my day.
Did I get some profits?
I don't make money out of this.
Okay, I got my thing stuck.
Watch this, get 1 million views for crying out loud.
Yeah, you're paying me something for this.
I don't get anything out of it. I'm not connected to
Look at freaking. Good thing we only have 2 more days.
2 days
We're gonna
left.
ride a lot somewhere.
We probably will.
We'll put a lot of videos out for you guys.
Alright, what do we do now?
She's secure. Oh, freaking turn.
What? What's your mom gonna say? Where are we going?
Let's pick somewhere where there's. You didn't tell. I thought it was just that little strip. I'm like, oh, this is good. Did I see this? And I'm like, I'm trying to pour it, and then it starts digging a hole.
I don't care. You just pick a random trail. Alright guys, don't ride a helmet, or don't ride a four-wheeler without a helmet. He has to because he was being dumb, threw it in the pond. Or a little stream, whatever you want to call it. My chain is so loose, oh my god. Alright guys, I'm gonna make this two-part video, so yeah, I will...
Reppin', oh my god, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always